Ever wished for the freedom of a car without all the responsibilities that come with it? Absolutely. Owning a car comes with so many headaches: insurance, maintenance, and those hefty deposits. What if I told you there's an easy way to navigate through your days with a vehicle that's tailored to your needs and available whenever you need it? A vehicle solution that adapts to different moments in your life without worries about insurance, deposits, and maintenance. That sounds like a dream, but does it exist? Welcome to Accessible Vehicle Club, AVC. It's not just a service, but a community. AVC offers an extensive fleet of adaptable vehicles for varying disabilities and situations, all without the burden of ownership or leasing. With no upfront deposit and affordable monthly prices, you can use all or part of your allowance. It's your choice. But vehicles aren't one size fits all. How does AVC accommodate different needs for different occasions? That's the magic of AVC. From hatchbacks for quick city trips to minibuses for joyful family holidays, AVC ensures your ride suits your journey every time. The subscription includes everything: vehicle pickup and drop off, insurance, servicing, and other running costs in one seamless package. Incredible! But how do I get started with AVC? It's as easy as 123. Simply visit our website, choose a subscription package, and fill out an application to set yourself on a new journey. And if you have any questions, our dedicated customer support team is always there to guide you, ensuring a smooth AVC experience. Accessible Vehicle Club. Mobility vehicle hire reimagined.